morning. Come out here, Joe. Come on, Joey. He is not the morning person like I am. Guys, I'm pretty sad. I'm almost out of my favorite coffee that I got from Moab. From the Moab Coffee Roasters. This is their Black Silk Blend. It's a dark roast. That's where it's from. Ugh, so good. It's almost gone. I have like 2 more cups left. Come outside. Come on. Ooh, so fast. You guys see how wonky my table is? It's okay, I just set up my own over here. I'll help you up in just a minute, Joe. Okay, alright. Also, I've had a lot of people ask me about my wind guard recently. I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link below for it, but yeah, it's just on Amazon. It was cheap too, like 10 bucks. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Chantal. This is my basic journey. I live and travel in my minivan with my dog, Joey. And we're in Arizona now. I'm so excited. Ah, man, this is my winter destination. I've been kind of making my way here slowly. Right now we're in the northern part of the state. We're at the Navajo National Monument. They have a free campground here. It's called Sunset Campground. It's where I'm at. It's very pretty. We had a beautiful sunrise this morning, but now it's kind of like gray and cloudy. It's a little chilly, but we're going to be making our way down south from here to much warmer weather. This is kind of just our first Arizona stop, and I'm very excited to be here. So anyways, thank you for being here. If you're new here, please subscribe, and welcome to my channel. Look at how gray it's getting. I have to say though, this is one of the nicest free campgrounds that I've ever been in. It's fully developed. There is water, but they turn it off when it gets a little colder, when the frost starts. The bathrooms are really nice, very clean. There aren't any showers, but that's to be expected. Just so nice. I love it here. Good morning. So I have my coffee. I'm just hanging out at my camp right now. My original plan was that I was going to wake up early, leave really early, grab some coffee from a gas station, and just go to Flagstaff and do everything that I needed to do in Flagstaff. However, my package did not come in, so we are not going to go to Flagstaff today. We're still going to leave, but just not go to Flagstaff. Flagstaff is only like 2 hours from here. I think it was like 2 hours and 20 minutes. And I decided that we're going to go to a spot that's kind of north of Flagstaff. But yeah, plans change, guys. Cheers to that. Bad hair day? Just wear a nice hat. You'll be fine. You ready to get out of here, Joe? Want to go to a new place? All right, let's go. Hi, how are you? Good. All right, I got my sticker. Ready to go, Joey? There's a viewpoint I want to stop at. That's right, as we exit, so we're gonna see that first.
Continue on US 160 West for 52 miles.
Plans have changed again, you guys. Staying at this truck stop. It's really loud and noisy. But I need service in order to upload, and both the places that I tried to go had no service whatsoever. And even all over Flagstaff that I've been so far, I've only had 4G and not LTE. It's just really weird. So we're just gonna stay at this truck stop, taking Joey on a walk. Around the truck stop, our beautiful scenery. Honestly, I don't mind staying at truck stops. It's really not that bad. It is a little noisy just because you have the hum of the trucks, but if you like white noise while you're sleeping like I do, it's not that bad. And there's showers here. They're $13 and you get a huge room that has a bath and a shower and a toilet and plugs in case you want to bring some things to plug in while you get ready. Man, it's great. 13 bucks gets you unlimited time showers, so I'm excited for that in the morning. And it's very busy at this truck stop. In fact, all of the truck parking spaces are full, and so I'm kind of like on the edge of this here. I'll show you. You guys see this flag thing, and then back there you see the other cars that are parked. Little America Hotel is having some sort of event, and so that's actually more truck parking when they're not having an event. So it's usually not so packed, and I would have been able to get like a better spot, more secluded, but it is what it is. So now we're just gonna continue to get this video uploaded and figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow. Oh, good morning, guys. It is a cold one. It is 27 degrees right now. I'm just waiting for my windows to defrost, and then we're gonna get out of here and head to another free place to stay. Another place that's just north of here. Since I got my video uploaded last night, I'm not too worried about having service or not. So we're just gonna go and find somewhere nice to park that's not a truck stop. It wasn't too bad though, honestly. I woke up pretty early because it was so cold, and then I went and took a shower, which was kind of a bad idea because it made me even more cold and my hair was like frozen in chunks. But that's okay. That's all right. My car is just warming up, and then we're gonna head out of here. Well, you guys, here we are, home sweet home, at least for the next few days. This spot is off of 776. It's a Forest Service road. It's only like 10 minutes outside of Flagstaff, which is very exciting. The road was very easily accessible, and there's probably like hundreds of spots back here. We're right by an OHV area, so it is a little busy with ATVs and dirt bikes and stuff, but I'm into that, so I don't mind at all. It's very cool. I like it here. Home sweet home. So this road here is 776, and it goes for a few more miles. I'm probably like 2 miles up the road, and there's many more miles of this road that goes up there. And along the road, there are these little roads that go back further than I was willing to check out. But there's literally hundreds of spots out here. As you guys can see further down this road, like even that little spot there, that's another spot, and this road keeps going. And there's another little road, if you guys can kind of see it, goes that way. And then this is directly across from me, another spot, but I don't know if that's like a potty thing, and I don't want to find out. So, we're going to be just fine over here, huh, Joe? Ready to go back inside? So you guys know that I love easy cooking out here. And so today we're going to be having this stir fry. It's one of my favorites to do lately. It's super easy. I just buy these already made noodles and it comes with a sauce. I have the hot and spicy flavor one. I also have the teriyaki one. And then I do about half of this bag of veggie stir fry. And it has all sorts of like veggies in it. And so I just fry these up together. And that's it. Hi, Joe. Hi, buddy. You guys, I can't even begin to tell you how happy I am to be out here. I was just sitting out here looking around and it's so beautiful. I'm just happy to be back in Arizona. I'm just happy to be back in deserty lands in kind of warmer weather. It's still pretty cold here. And so after I go into Flagstaff on Monday and grab my mail, I'm definitely going to be heading south from there. I won't be staying in Flagstaff very much longer. It's just getting too cold up here. I'm just ready for warm, sunny days and I can't wait. So this is where I'm going to end this vlog. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe below. Also put a link for my Patreon in the description box in case you're interested in checking that out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!